Hey YouTube, yeah, I haven't been uploading regularly, well, as regularly as I was. It's just that I think I made a decision because I keep not posting every other day, so I thought I might as well just make that a thing and only post every other day. Because, well, frankly, it's a lot easier for me, and that means if I have something to talk about one day, but I have something to talk about another day, then I won't just give you a boring vlog. Plus, also, I can have a CBA day, so that basically works out for me. Yesterday, however, it was not a CBA day. Stop sniffing. Uh, Tink. Tink's here. And also, we have a collie over there. Boo. 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 What's this? See it? Keep moving. There we go. Now I've got you. There we go. So yeah, I have two dogs at the moment. Okay. But I didn't upload yesterday because I have tonsillitis and I was very tired because of the no. I have been having paracetamol and Chloraseptic, which is like an anesthetic sort of. I think the two have been working up, which make me really tired, and also I'm tired because I've been ill. Sorry about that. Also have a bit of a cold. And well, dedication. I've been going to college. Probably infected at least 15 people now, but still. Well, that's pretty much it. Oh, the Chloraseptic tastes absolutely disgusting. I mean, it's supposed to be cherry flavored, but it's medicine and cherry. It's practically the taste of cough mixture, but it's a spray which you spray the back of your throat with, and it numbs it, which is very good. Now this morning, I woke up. Yesterday morning, I woke up and I thought, okay, my throat feels a bit sore, so I'll get it checked with a torch. Tonsillitis. This morning, woke up, throat was fine, felt fine. Had a look. Apparently, I did not get better. No. I think I've got a little worse, so. I don't know what to do, but I'll just be eating some fruit and stuff, get my immune system going, and make a smoothie tomorrow morning, so that should work. Oh, I froze the blueberries and the strawberries. They were so nice. Okay. Also, should be moving my room around a bit. My bed will not go lengthways, so not happening there. But my desk is over there, and my chest of drawers is over here. Well, not at the moment, but it will be. Who's sleeping? Thinking. You stop clawing me. No. No. Biting. Just be a good girl with the little wrinkles. And have a cuddle. There. Good girl. She's a bit naughty, but ultimately sweet. Owl. Stop it. Enough? Enough. So, yeah, it's been okay. Oh, two of my units have been IV'd at college. For those of you who don't know what that means. Ow! Right, enough. 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 Ivine work is basically some a third party that's basically like your first party teaches the second party. This person is the third party. Some third party person takes his way, but does not mark your work. They mark the marking of your work. It's basically they see how well the teacher has marked the work. Isn't that right, Tifa? But oh, you can just see a little nose and it's gone. But yeah, they mark the marking of the work, and then they just like mark the teachers, which is okay. And it's cool that my units were chosen. Mine's never chosen. Sorry, I'm just stroking the dog. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go. So yeah, every other day. May the odds be ever in your favour. Ciao, ciao.